Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya with Mind, Body, and Soul Company, and I make bath and beauty and aromatherapy products. Today we're going to be making a shower steamer. A shower steamer is like a bath bomb, but you use it in the shower instead of the bath. That way you can still get that aromatherapy benefit if you're not someone who's real big on taking baths. The mix that we're going to do today is scented with eucalyptus, lavender, lemon, and peppermint, and I'll have the recipe in the description box. So what we're going to do first is we have our baking soda, and I'm going to go ahead and pour that into my bowl here. Okay, and next I'm going to add in my citric acid, and basically it's 2 parts baking soda to 1 part citric acid. I'm just gonna, there's some clumps there, so I'm gonna get that broken up here. Get everything nice and incorporated. Okay, so give me a moment to do that, and then we'll be right back. All right, so I have the clumps out now, and I'm just gonna give it a quick mix here to get it a little better incorporated. And then next, I'm gonna go ahead and add in a 1/4 teaspoon of green mica. This is just to give it a small amount of color. It's not gonna be very saturated, but just to give it some interest. Get that all mixed together. Okay, now I'm gonna put in my essential oils. I'm just gonna slowly spread this around. Now with a shower steamer, you usually can be a little more intense with the essential oils because it's not gonna be something that you're soaking in. But you still wanna pay attention to usage rates. Then just another stir here to get everything incorporated. And now that we have everything mixed together, basically we're going to spritz it with some witch hazel, and we're going for a consistency just enough where it's gonna hold together when you squeeze it. You don't want it to be super wet. So I'm gonna give it a quick spritz there. Let's see where that gets us. It is starting to hold together, so that's good. I think I'm gonna give it one more quick spritz. Yep, that feels pretty good. So what I'm gonna do now is I have my molds here, and I'm just gonna take the mixture and start packing it into the mold. You wanna leave a little bit of space in there. And then I would put the lid on it and let it dry overnight. So there's my first one. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get the other ones in the mold. right, so I have them all in the molds and with lids on them, and I'm gonna let these dry out at least overnight, and then we'll come back and pop them out of the mold so you can see what they look like. And here's just a close-up of what they look like in the molds. All right, we'll be back tomorrow to pop them out. All right, and we are back to unmold our shower steamers. Now, as you can see, I've already popped a couple out. I did let them stay in their mold for 24 hours. That one has a little bit of a crack in the top, but not bad. Go ahead and get another one out here. And basically what you would do with these is you would put them in your shower, just let the water hit on top of it, and then that'll release the essential oils. Here's that one. So they look really nice. Really happy with how they turned out. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I hope you'll subscribe and become part of my YouTube family. I'll see you in my next one.